Microsoft 365 Copilot is finally here for enterprise plan customers. And if you've been living on a desert island for the past few months and you've no idea what Microsoft 365 Copilot is, then this video is for you. I'm going to summarize some of the benefits of Microsoft 365 Copilot for you and your business. We're also going to look at pricing, and also we're going to look at when it's going to be more widely available for business plan customers. So stick around to the end of the video. So let's start with a technical explanation of what 365 Copilot is. 365 Copilot is an advanced AI-powered productivity tool designed to enhance user productivity and collaboration across various 365 applications, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It's essentially a sophisticated processing and orchestration engine that harnesses the capabilities of large language models to work with content that you have access to, such as emails, chats, and documents. The integration with Microsoft Graph and the 365 apps enables Copilot to transform your words into a potent productivity asset. It's crafted to augment your creative and analytical processes by taking on tasks such as writing, editing, summarizing, and generating content within these applications, allowing you to concentrate more on significant work rather than routine tasks. Microsoft 365 Copilot has been built with a commitment to data security and privacy, ensuring that the advancements in productivity don't compromise business data integrity. It operates right alongside the Microsoft apps you use daily, aiming to unleash creativity, enhance productivity, and elevate skills. In layman's terms, Microsoft 365 Copilot is like a personal assistant that works with your favorite Microsoft 365 apps. It uses very smart artificial intelligence to help you do your work faster. Think ChatGPT capabilities within Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Copilot 365 can write emails for you, help you make spreadsheets, even create presentations. It understands what you want to do because it can read your files and emails, which are also in the 365 ecosystem. And it helps you with your work without you having to do the small, time-consuming tasks. Something to do half of my admin work for me. It literally sounds like a perfect dream. So let's go over some of the most common features for 365 Copilot for some of the most common 365 applications. Starting with Microsoft Word, 365 Copilot is like a writing assistant that helps you craft documents more efficiently. It can write content for you, like drafting proposals or reports based on a brief description you provide. It can also help you rephrase sentences, fix grammar, and improve the overall flow of what it is you're writing. If you've got a long document, Copilot can create a summary highlighting the main points, so you don't have to read the entire text to understand it. When you need to include data or citations in your document, Copilot can help pull the relevant information together, although it will need to have access to that data through other files or emails you've stored in Microsoft 365 within, say, OneDrive or SharePoint. Copilot can analyse your document for accessibility, making sure it's easy to read for people with disabilities, and suggest changes if needed. It can even help translate your document into other languages. In essence, in Word, Copilot is designed to help you with all aspects of writing, from creating initial drafts to fine-tuning the final version, ensuring your documents are polished and professional. In Excel, 365 Copilot turns into a number cruncher and data analyst. It can sift through your spreadsheets, helping you to analyse and make sense of the data within them. For example, if you have a budget or sales figures, Copilot can help identify trends or patterns. It can then take that data and turn it into visual charts or graphs, making it much easier for you to see what's going on with your numbers. If you're like me and never sure which formulas to use for a calculation, Copilot can suggest the right one and can even write it for you. You can ask it to assist with organising your data, like automatically sorting or finding duplicates, which should save a ton of time, especially if you're dealing with big spreadsheets. Copilot may also be able to forecast future trends based on your existing data, so you can make better decisions for planning and strategy. In short, in Excel, Copilot is designed to be an AI-powered analyst, making it easier for you to work with numbers and data. In PowerPoint, you can tell Copilot what you want your presentation to be about, and it can create a set of slides for you, complete with relevant text, images, and layouts. Copilot can offer design advice, helping you choose colour schemes, fonts, and layouts that make your slides look professional. If you have a long report or document, Copilot can help condense it into key points that can be turned into slide bullets. Copilot can even act as a sounding board, helping you rehearse your presentation by giving you feedback on your pacing and suggesting improvements to your script. Basically, in PowerPoint, Copilot helps you create impressive presentations quickly, suggesting content and design elements that will make your slides stand out. In Outlook, 365 Copilot helps manage your email communication. It can write emails for you, starting from just a few bullet points or a subject line. You tell it what you want to convey, and it drafts the message. Copilot can also suggest replies to emails you receive, saving you time on typing and thinking about how to respond. If you've got a long email thread, Copilot can summarise the key points so you don't have to read through every single message to understand the conversation. And it can help you manage your calendar, suggesting times for meetings and even sending meeting invites based on your email conversations. If you need to recall details from past emails, Copilot can easily help find the information quickly without you needing to search through your entire inbox. So in short, in Outlook, Copilot acts like a personal secretary, handling the routine parts of email communication so you can focus on the more important tasks at hand. In Microsoft Teams, 365 Copilot can be really helpful when it comes to meetings. Copilot can create a summary of your meetings, so if someone missed it, they can quickly catch up on what was discussed without having to watch the whole recording. It can also identify a list of action items or tasks that were talked about during the meeting. This way, you know what needs to be done next. Copilot can help with follow-up questions or topics that come up after a meeting, saving you the trouble of digging through notes or recordings. When you're chatting with your team, Copilot can suggest replies, saving you time typing out responses. It can also help find information from previous conversations or files that have been shared within Teams. Overall, in Teams, Copilot's all about making communication and collaboration smoother and more efficient, so you can focus more on the work itself rather than managing the conversation around it. So in my opinion, I think 365 Copilot looks great and I can't wait to have a real play with it and then put my feet up and have Microsoft do all of my work for me. Copilot is available right now for Microsoft 365 Enterprise customers with either an E3 or E5 license at an investment cost of around $30 per user per month. Unfortunately, there isn't much in the way of information on a possible release date for customers with Business Standard or Business Premium licenses. I've heard rumours of Q1 2024, but they are just rumours. So if you're a business customer and you're keen to get your hands on Copilot, you may have to wait just a little bit longer. Now that brings us to the end of the video. It would be great if you could help our channel get in front of more people by giving it a thumbs up. Please give a few more of our videos a watch and be sure to never miss an upload by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.